Hey, looking to score a free $100 on Bybit? Imagine getting rewarded just for trading like you usually would. Let's dive in on how you can claim this awesome bonus in just a few steps. Welcome to the update. Please subscribe if you would like to receive future updates on free airdrops and cryptocurrencies. Thank you. Step 1. Create account with Bybit and complete the KYC process. First things first, Bybit needs to know it's really you. Head over to the KYC section in your profile. Upload a valid ID, maybe a driver's license or passport, and snap a selfie. It's fast, it's secure, and once Bybit verifies you, you're ready to move on to the bonus. Step 2. Trade at least $1,000. Now, here's where the action happens. Trade at least $1,000 worth of crypto on Bybit. Don't worry, you don't need to deposit a full $1,000 all at once. This can be from multiple trades. So, if you're already planning to trade, this is a no-brainer. Step 3. That's it. Complete your KYC, trade $1,000 worth of crypto, and bam, you'll see that $100 bonus added to your account. Remember, Bybit's always got fresh offers like this, so make sure you're on top of them. Now, go claim your free $100 and happy trading. I appreciate you watching, and please remember to subscribe. See you in my next video and bye for now.